Okay, so this little video is about video tutorials. So what's a video tutorial? You can send me up to 2 songs or monologues, whatever you wish. You can send me up to 2 recordings of 2 things. So you can send me 4 videos in total, but I will only include 2 items in your video tutorial. So that would be 15 minutes tutorial on each. If you've just got 1 song, then you'll get the whole half an hour for 1 song or monologue. So what happens is you hit record on your device and you film yourself singing or acting out your piece, and then you send it to me. You make a payment of £50, £50, and then within 48 hours I will come back to you. What I do is I watch the videos, I make extensive notes on them, and then just like I'm doing now, I hit record and I go through all the corrections. I give you examples, I give you exercises, I give you tips, I give you a whole load of stuff to thrash through, and I post that tutorial, which will be half an hour in length. I post that onto YouTube via a private link. That's something that nobody can see unless I give them the link to it. I then send only you the link, and you can open that link and watch it away to your heart's content. So in effect, it's half an hour personalised feedback on either 2 songs or a song and a monologue, or 2 monologues or 1 song, whatever you prefer. If you have another inquiry, so if you've got, I've got this gap in my voice and I just want half an hour of exercises for fiddling this out. If you've got an audition coming up and you want me to select you some songs, you can let me know that. All you do is you record what you want. So just like this, you'll record me an instructional video. You'll bounce it off to me. You'll type out what you want. You'll make a payment of £50 referencing your name. You'll send me an email saying, this is what I want from you. I've just made a payment. And then you will hear from me within 48 hours with a reply of at least half an hour. Okay, any questions? Let me know. That's a video tutorial and it's excellent, unique service for you. Mwah. Happy singing.